combinations niya. Teams talaga na I don't know if kung may epekto yung weather medyo talagang slow start especially pag first game.
Jeff Viernes able to recover. MJ Garcia. Santos. Yes. Garcia. Concepcion trying to go for the dipsy-do. No. And MJ Garcia on the second opportunity.
Oh, and that's one thing na Tweety.
Tweety yan. MJ Garcia, the high arcing three. MJ Garcia. 5 points.
Every game. It's tough to lose 4 straight games, but Marvin and his teammates need to find that silver lining. For now, yun yung lumalaban sila in their games tulad ng close.
Could not save it to Deles. Here comes Pampanga on the counter attack. MJ Garcia with 7 points. Inside they go. Javier spins and he banks it in for 2. Trademark look away crossover. Medyo bumagal ng konti. But nonetheless, the quick swing to Archie Concepcion. You will see Javier. He'll take the 3 and knock it down. 5 points na si Chris Javier. And Encho, 3. No. MJ Garcia, another opportunity para kay MJ. He's got 9 points in the contest.
That's one thing na kailangan nilang ma-solve.
Lee, 3 ball, and he knocks it down. At 13. Garcia feeling it, and he knocks it down. Wow, MJ Garcia. Omar, that's short. Rebounding Encho Serrano. Ahead to Archie Concepcion, and Archie lays it in.
Yeah, after that timeout, Coach Pedic inserted already itong si Kevin Santos, Miggy Corteza, at itong si Kurt Ray.
Rayson fires a 3. Yes, sir.
Mainit na sa Delft. So, Kurt Rayson.
Javier, and he knocks down his second 3. Air ball. Rayson nagmamadali. Here's Kurt.
Good pass.
Finds Miggy Corteza for 2. Dito para sa Pampanga.
Still sticking to that 1-3-1 zone. Itong Bicol.
Oh, nice pass galing kay Kurt Rayson for the first basket. We're underway dito sa Alonte Sports Arena in Binyan. The Rapi Reyes quickly. Here's Encho Serrano. Drives, and that's a beautiful move. Using the sidestep.
Good pass.
Oh, nice. Edson Rojas.
I think yung sinabi mo, how long then can they keep up against this mighty Giant Lanterns? Pero sa isa't isa. Kasi yung score na yun, 20, turnover 25, the ball over 25 times. So, again, nandun yung you wanted to create.
Rayson with a pickpocket goes behind the back to Serrano. Encho will fly.
Yeah, they're gonna jump over that. And it's starting to be RJ Deles.
Galing sa magagandang programa yan.
Exactly.
And Kurt Rayson.
And good Rayson right now. Especially now, ito maganda kasi he is more effective being a 2-guard.
Oo tingnan mo naman yun.
But if you put him on that spot and make him...
No, and needing... Dito sa MPBL, he can get away with it. Because yung pagdepensa mo dito, pwede mong i-switch eh. Rayson strips Marvin Lee. Serrano is ahead of the pack. Encho lays it in. 6 na puntos.
Way sa Delft because they know that they're strong. Because of the addition of Jemo Egulos, of acquisition niya kay Jeff Viernes. Pero
time on the shot clock. Alcoriza will drive.
Good
Drop
pass.
pass to Jemo Egulos.
Great possession there for the Pampanga Giant.
Bola ng Bicol. Marvin Lee. The step back three is good. Marvin Lee.
14 points, Pensadel. But both teams are shooting pretty well in this game. Itong big already for the Giant Lanterns.
Javier fires a three. Yes, sir. Torisa back to Benuya. Three. Yes.
And this is what you're gonna like with Raymond Binoya. Kaya ano mo yun? And nandun buo pa rin yung tiwala ng coaching staff sa kanya.
And here he comes, Raymond Benuya. Itong puntos na si Raymond Benuya. Marvin Lee, the step back three. Yes, off the glass and in.
It's all confidence.
Alcoriza is blocked by Javier and J-Mo Egilos. Everything has been
Inside the paint for the Giant Lanterns. So talagang alam mo, it's their domination inside and coming from stops. I saw that. I covered that game, that loss against Rizal. It's an entirely different team right now.
Oh, ito si Martin Gozum. Pressure Benuya. Here's Gozum. What a move.
Great one.
Martin Gozum. Hard to the rack.
Now,
Nakafocus na kay Balti. Si Liwag pala. First game na din. Archie for three. That's good.
talagang medyo tataas talaga yung if you have that two guys na alam mong re-rebound para sa'yo. And MJ Garcia.
Oo. Here's RJ Dennis over Alan Liwag. With a few of our friends, alam mo, hindi ano yan. Go hard.
Go hard pa rin. Oo. That's how passionate he is.
To the max. MJ Garcia always in control. You know, talk ng dalawang teams natin. Enzo Serrano was good as soon as it left his hand.
And having
Able to finish there.
and even yesterday said that Batangas Pasay game.
Oo, ang ganda din nun.
I was saying,
Pampanga here, they're also
nice
a
play.
joy to watch. Miggy Cortesa will lay it in for three.
Twice that play.
There's Miggy Cortesa to Kurt Rayson.
There you go.
Marvin Lee to Chris Javier. And that's an easy two.
Naging question palagi dahil dun sa depth nitong Giant Lanterns.
Kurt Rayson.
Oh, and you know, in that last sequence, Adel, kasi ang hirap dahil si Justin, he's attracting everyone down low. Okay, running that cross screen, lumulubog yung defense. Sa kanya yung bola, help ka na eh.
Oh. Alanes knocks down the three.
Performance dito sa MPBL, now he's more relaxed.
Oh. Marvin Lee.
You can hear it from here na Balti telling Cortesa to shoot it. Nag-abot pa kasi actually nag-abot.
Go. There's Miggy Cortesa, great catch, great finish.
Giant Lanterns, okay, MJ Garcia, Martin Gozum, Archie Concepcion, J-Boy Gov, and J-Mo Egulos being searched.
It's a steal for you. And he will score.
That resulted for a layup para dito sa Bicolandia, Oragons.
MJ Garcia.
Nangyari eh.
Gozum. J-Mo Egilos sticks it in.
Yeah.
Chris Javier. Alanes. Three-pointer
Good
is
line.
good.
Maganda pa rin yung shooting efficiency.
Go gets the 2 points. 6-point lead for Pampanga. Here's RJ Delis. You for 3. That's good.
Yeah, 12 3-pointer. Oh, ayun nga, ayun yung nakakatawa nga doon sa numbers natin sa Del. Tinitingnan ko. They're shooting at 37%, which to me is still Giant Lanterns eh.
Javier against Igilos, the turnaround shot. He gets the roll. Able to get the steal. Yu quickly to Delis.
Another
Alanes.
3-pointer.
That's good.
Bicolandi Oragons.
Gozum misses the 3. Inside. Garcia still perfect. 10 of 10. MJ to Martin. 2-on-1 break. Gozum.
Good
The
pass.
alley-oop.
It just
Jayboy
shows.
Gilos.
It just shows.
Garcia. MJ will fly. Alanes, that's short. Shaq Alanes with the layup. Baltasar swings it over to Alcoriza. That's a 3. Allen Liwag with a putback. Misses on the 3. Alanes fires and hits.
Yeah, parang nasushooting lang itong. Good pass there by Liwag.
Allen Liwag with a jumper. Yes.
Natin yan si Dels. Go hard pa rin talaga eh.
Oo. Serrano all the way to the cup. Get minutes, no? Mga konting ano siya, run out siya dito. And here comes Balti for the jam.
Alam mo yan, siguro talaga.
Dinuya leaves it to Encho.
Naglayos pa ng buhok si Encho ah.
3 ball won't go. Baltasar, here he is again.
At least.
Dunks. Jeff Viernes. Yes, sir. Pampanga pouring it off. Balti. Serrano will take the 3 and will make the 3. RJ from the corner. That's good. RJ Dennis.
Ayan. And natural ang killers in.
And Jeff Viernes. Oh. And that will do it.